We back on both accounts. I had to start trading the both accounts because I knew I would pass the one account. I passed one account today, and the next account is about 800 away. So let's get into the breakdowns for the day. We back on the hour time frame. As y'all can see, we still haven't left yesterday. We still haven't left yesterday's high. I mean, we got out of it, but as of right now, at this candle, we still in it right now. And so that is what really gave me my bias for the day. Because just looking at this box right here, even at around 7, when I looked at the charts, I guess you could say we have bullish structure because of, you know, this candle right here, and we've just been above it since then. But as far as just looking at from yesterday to today, we really didn't go nowhere. Okay, so we seen this big candle right here, but we still didn't leave out of here. So we scaled down. So we scaled down to 5 minute. Cool. Now we see on 5 minute, we did leave the box, but we didn't leave the box until 8 a.m. And then our 8:30 candle sent us right back into the box. And so, mind you, I don't get on the charts directly at 8:30 because I lose a lot of trades directly at 8:30. So I wait a little bit. We formed 3 bearish candles. We got a little lift, and mind you, this candle did come back all the way up halfway of this big candle, you know, and there might be a little tiny gap in here, but I look at it as this was the retrace to close this little gap in here before we have this continuation down, this move up, another continuation down. Okay, so now it seems like we are forming something down here, right? This seems to be a level of support down here for those supportive resistance people. So I will put a line right here. This almost damn near looks exactly like yesterday's trade, y'all. We came down here and we hit this 21,488 level twice. We come up again up to here. Now once again, I didn't get in exactly right here just because I wanted to see if we would push above this previous high that we made up here. So we scaled down again 1 minute. Cool. When we scaled down again 1 minute at 9:07 is when I started looking to actively get into a trade. We see this right here, and this should have been my entry, and it could have and would have been a great entry. This should have been my entry right here, but I didn't, and we dropped like this. I was thinking from this point we were just gonna drop from here, and then I just missed the trade. But as y'all can see, we started building up again. But somewhere in here, the price started moving choppy. It wasn't moving at all because we on 1 minute right now. These 1 minute candles is supposed to be looking like these. You know, big candles is moving places. So when I see this little candle and then this little candle, and then I was like, okay, it might be time to get in. So I got in about right here. All right. So this is what this trade looked like right here, right? My stop loss was right at this level right here because at this point, I did not think we were pushing back above it. So I had a pretty tight stop loss of these most previous highs. It's a little bit above it though, because you know, you can't never be too exact. And then I just had my TP down at these lows that it created down here. Yeah, it pretty much right after I got in, like it only took about 3-4 minutes, and then we came down here and we smacked this TP, and I was on, oh, that wasn't on this account, that was on this one. Hey, y'all can see it. The equity on this account is 53,213. We know to pass these funded challenges, you need $3,000 in profit. So we have definitely passed the account. So I switched over to the second account, and literally just like yesterday, I'm telling y'all, this is like the exact same thing as yesterday. Just like yesterday when we took out these lows here, we're gonna shoot back up. We're gonna have to shoot back up. And so right after that, right after we got into this trade on this account, we switched over to the second account. Because remember, this is the account that we just brought out of drawdown yesterday. Immediately when we switched over to the second account, trying to catch that move right back up, this is what our entry looked like. We entered at this candle. Let me zoom in more so y'all can see. This candle right here, we pushed back below these lows, but we came back up like we were scared to keep going. Same thing happened when this one, we pushed below, and then we closed directly at this level. And then instantly on the next candle, we lifted. So I got in like right in the middle of that candle. I just had my take profit near these highs. And I actually don't even think my take profit was this far apart. I think it was only like to right here. And so that got me 1,400 on this account, bringing this account to 52,218. So that's really it. I only got 800 left to pass my second account. So it was a pretty good trade today, man. I appreciate y'all boys for watching. Pass one account. We got past the second one next week. That's what we on 2025. We're passing accounts back to bike. Back to bike. Back to bike. Y'all boys want more trading content, subscribe to the YouTube, join the Discord. Appreciate y'all for watching again. Let's get money.